In this video, I'll show you how to make 3 delicious Thai fruit dips in less than 2 minutes. These are the same fruit dips Thai street food vendors give you in little bags when you buy fruit on the street in Thailand. First, Prik Glua. Finely chop fresh chilies and mix them well with the sugar. Add salt and then toss or stir until mixed and the color changes to appetizing pink. It's that easy.
This one is amazing.
Next, Prik Glua Laos. This recipe is super quick. Just mix salt, sugar, and chili flakes with 2 teaspoons of MSG in a bowl. Shake well, then serve. Finally, my favorite, Kapi Wan or shrimp paste dipping powder. For this dip, it is important to gently roast fresh shrimp paste over open flame. You then use a fork to break down the roasted shrimp paste while mixing it with sugar. Add dry chili flakes and toss until well mixed. There you have it. 3 amazing fruit dips that only takes minutes to prepare. You can find the recipes and instructions in the video description. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.
Yummy.